it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I was going to do some crafting, but it ended up being such a nice day here in Victoria, British Columbia, that we decided to take a long drive around on the island on the coast of the ocean. We ended up stopping off at a really large outdoor farmers type market where there were a lot of wonderful fruits and vegetables and handmade items that people were selling, and that was just a lot of fun to walk around, and there were lots and lots of tables. So after spending a good hour there, we drove to Sidney, British Columbia, which is beautiful down by the water, and we had lunch and then decided to hit all the thrift stores in Sidney. So I thought today that I would share my thrift store hauls with all of you. I ended up getting a lot of vintage items, and I will start showing you. So here is some vintage material. I love the feel of vintage material and the beautiful tatting, and it was 75 cents. So that was a really good deal. My cat has decided to visit. All right. I also found a large amount of white lace, and as we know, a journal maker can always use a lot of lace. You can never have too much lace, and it was only $1.50, which I thought was really good. I found this vintage 1942 music paper book. It didn't have a price on it, so they gave it to me for $1, which I thought was really great. I love the patina coloring of the pages, and there are 24 pages in all. So I think I'll get a lot of really good use for collaging and journal pages with that. I also found 5 placemats, and they're for Christmas, and they were only 50 cents each. And it's nice tapestry, and I thought that I could make journal covers out of it for Christmas. So I'm looking forward to that. I believe they all have the same pattern on them. Yes. So that was a great find. Let's see. I got 3 pieces of vintage laced cotton material for $1.50, which I thought was a great price. And it's got really pretty roses on it. 1 large one and 2 small ones. So I'll be using that for journal covers probably. And I did find a lot of crochet doilies, which I do have a lot of, but I tend to now pick up ones that look a lot different and different sizes than what I already have. So I found this one. It was $2, which I thought was a good price, and I think it'll make for a really good journal cover embellishment. And then I got this one. It didn't have a price, so they gave it to me for $3. And it's a pretty big piece. Looked like it was a table runner. And I'll probably cut the pieces up. Maybe use it to decorate journal covers and journal pages, and maybe even some tags. So I like that. I am planning on doing a purple journal, so I think this doily will be nice for decorating it. And this one I got for $1. This is a small one. I got this for 50 cents. I like the size of this one. This piece I got for $1, and it's crocheted. And I love crochet. I thought I could use the crocheted part, or maybe even the whole thing, to decorate a journal cover. And then I got this one for $1, and it said as is, and I guess because it had marks on it. But it too is crocheted, and it's really big. And this one I would probably cut up. Oh, it also has like a little mending here. I'll probably cut up to use the crocheted parts of it, and then the embroidery part of it. And then the crocheted part, I'll probably use as decoration on pages or tags or something. Kind of reminds me of lace. So I like that. I also found this. I liked the color and the material and the pattern. And these were 4 table mats for $3, which I thought was a great price. And I think these will make the start of a nice journal cover. So I was happy to find those. Then I found this small seam tape, but it's very small, thin lace, and I got it for 30 cents, and it's a nice green color. It'll be nice for a nature journal. And then I found this little Tale of Benjamin Bunny Beatrix Potter book. It was $3, which I thought was a little on the high side, but I love the illustration, so I went ahead and I got it. So I'll probably be making some type of a journal with that. And then last but not least, I found these magnetized containers, and they're see-through. And I thought I could put my pins and other items in it and attach it with the magnet to the outside of my cart, my craft cart. So I'll be utilizing those. And that's it. That's all that I found today. But we had a really great day. And tomorrow and Monday will be crafting days. And I hope to finish a design team project journal for Tuke's craft table, which I will be doing a flip through, hopefully, of a video for that. So look out for that. That will probably be coming tomorrow or Monday. So that's it. Have a great evening, and thank you so much for joining me this evening. Bye-bye.